political fight has now broken out over Ashok Khemka's report in Haryana. This is after the IAS officer alleged that Robert Vadra falsified documents and created a black market of licenses. Congress MP Inderjeet Rao now has raised doubts. He's backing Khemka's charge and says that Vadra's case is just the tip of the iceberg.
देखो जो रॉबर्ट वाड्रा ने किया इंक्वायरी के माध्यम से सामने ज़रूर आएगा। आज जो बात गुड़गांव वालों को शायद मालूम थी आज सारे देश को मालूम चल गई। लेकिन मेरा ये मानना है कि ये गुड़गांव के अंदर जितने भी लैंड डील्स हुए हैं उसका एक रत्ती भर हिस्सा है। 21,000 एकड़ भूमि जहाँ पे CLU के तौर के ऊपर दे दी गई हो, अगर रिलायंस को जोड़ो तो 12,500 एकड़ भूमि और उसके अंदर जोड़ दो, 30,000 एकड़ भूमि एक अकेले गुड़गांव के अंदर दे दी हो तो उसके अंदर और भी कई घोटाले हो सकते हैं, जिसके अंदर केवल एक आदमी नहीं बल्कि
After that statement, the Congress MP has now attempted to do a U-turn after a massive uproar over his charge.
Gurgaon MP Rao Inderjeet Singh is now demanding an inquiry into what Khemka has been saying. We have with us the Gurgaon MP. So your allegations are that there is more to it than what Khemka is saying and that Robert Vadra is completely involved in it.
You are incorrect in your opening statement. I have never demanded that. I have only said you should rephrase the questions. You know, you're putting loaded questions. Wherever I said that Robert Vadra has lived, I said there should be a due process of inquiry. And not only about Robert Vadra, but about the 1,200 acres of land which have been released after Section 4 and 6 and before 9. If they have been released and if there has been some ghotala in it, there should be a due process of inquiry. 21,000 acres of land in Gurgaon have been released from, not released, have been made change of land use from agriculture to residential to commercial, etc., etc. Now there is a perception that on one hand that these 21,000 acres has made various leaders from various parties who have been involved in it. But only Robert Vadra has been picked up, who has only got 4 acres. My demand is and has been that if there is to be an inquiry, it should be about the whole 21,000 acres of land.
So who do you think is to be blamed? Is it Bhupender Singh Hooda?
An inquiry will establish that.
Yeah, but then what about the role of Bhupender Singh Hooda? I mean, do you think he was really involved in it, or it is everybody across the board who should be really probed out?
That is for an inquiry to establish, not for the media to judge. And if an inquiry is held, an independent inquiry is held, then one will know who
should hold the inquiry.
Maybe the next government will hold it.
You don't think under Hooda there can be a fair inquiry?
They haven't held one as so far, but my demand would be that you should inquire into all the land dealings which have taken place over the last 7-8 years, and not only the water.
Do you think Khemka is unnecessarily picking on Vadra just to make a point?
It is possible. And it is possible. I mean, anything is possible. I am not party or privy to what happens in Haryana or to what the files are which Khemka has addressed. I can only say, as the member of parliament from Gurgaon, that there is a perception in Gurgaon that 21,000 acres of land have been made change of use of land. A lot of builders are cropped up. There were only
the biggest builder is DLF, and you would agree that Robert Vadra, if everybody says, has a huge business dealing with DLF companies. So essentially Robert Vadra does have a stake in this, even though you are saying it's just a small area that Robert Vadra has. So essentially Robert Vadra is very much in the league where builders are concerned.
If you say so.
No, I'm not saying so. I'm not saying so. It's Khemka who's saying so, and that is what the papers are proving.
You ask me to repeat what you're saying.
Congress General Secretary Digvijay Singh has spoken with Times Now. He says that the Chief Minister has set up an independent committee to look into the charges made by Khemka.
You must see what is the case. Here was a case of a sand mining, illegal sand mining in Noida, and this officer tried to stop it and has taken action, and she was wrongly implicated by some of the Samajwadi Party leaders and she was suspended. Khemka's case is different. Khemka was not suspended. Khemka was only transferred. And on the basis of some of the press reports and some of the allegations made by opposition party, the Chief Minister has set up a committee, an independent committee, to look into the charges. And these issues would be addressed by this committee and let the committee report come in. So there are two different things.